Hello, thanks for connecting. So you can get to know us a little better, I thought I would introduce you to our companies. JHPS Gardens Limited is an award-winning professional grounds maintenance and landscaping company that works with both commercial and residential clients in the Staffordshire, Cheshire and Derbyshire areas. We pride ourselves on our customer service and the high quality of our workmanship. Our company guarantee is 100% customer satisfaction, and we will do everything we can to achieve this, ensuring not just a happy customer, but a delighted customer. Japanese Knotweed Expert Limited is dedicated to helping our clients achieve total Japanese knotweed eradication through treatment methods which we have developed over 20 years. We are proud to have a 100% success rate, but for extra peace of mind, our clients also receive a 10-year company guarantee and a 10-year insurance-backed guarantee. We are also passionate about sharing our knowledge of Japanese knotweed, which is why we regularly run a CPD accredited course in the identification and reporting of Japanese knotweed. Pro Hort Limited offers a range of technical horticultural services, including landscaping schemes, tree surveys and Part 35 compliant expert witness reports. Pro Hort works closely with architects and solicitors throughout the UK. With a wealth of experience in the horticultural, landscape architectural and legal industries, our experts can offer you advice on a range of different topics and provide accurate and comprehensive reports or designs that are fit for purpose. We work flexibly to ensure that the service and products we provide are tailored exactly to what our clients need. Whether that is through liaising with yourselves at all times and providing white label documents, or whether that is by contacting your client directly and independently carrying out the process before submitting the report to yourself. If we can be of any assistance, please do get in touch.